This art lesson is sponsored by Paramount Pictures for the SpongeBob movie, available on digital today.
Hey friends, today we're gonna draw Pirate SpongeBob.
Yeah, to celebrate the home release of the movie,
Yeah.
the SpongeBob movie.
So good.
And parents, you can click the link below this video to purchase the movie on digital so you can watch it at home with your family.
Yes.
We hope you're excited and you're going to follow along with us. For this lesson, we're using our markers to draw and color with, but you can use whatever you have, like colored pencils or even
Crayons.
Yeah. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's start by drawing SpongeBob's nose in the middle of our paper. We're gonna draw it about here. Oh, maybe a little low so that we have room for his big pirate hat.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we're gonna start about here, and we're gonna draw his nose. Then we're gonna draw his eyes. We're gonna draw oval shapes that intersect or go behind his nose. So I'm gonna start here, and I'm gonna come down to the nose. Then we're gonna come around, and then we're gonna come back up and then connect to where we started. Then we're gonna do the same thing, but for his other eye. Come down to the nose, come around. Oh, we got a little bumpy, that's okay. And then we're gonna come back and connect. Yes, then we're gonna draw his pupils. We're gonna draw them big circle right in the middle, and we're drawing him traditional, like the old cartoon. But I love in the movie how it's 3D.
Oh yeah, it's so cool.
Yeah, it's awesome. I love the style of SpongeBob in this movie.
Me too.
Then we're gonna draw his pupil. So another circle. We'll color it in that's smaller inside the first one we drew. This one got a little bumpy. I'm gonna smooth it out later, but we can go back over it and kind of add the smoother lines. What are we missing up top?
His eyelashes.
Yes. Let's draw one in the middle, sticking up. And then we're going to draw another one on each side of that first one we drew. I don't know why, but his eyelashes make me laugh.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're going to draw his mouth. And we can draw his little cheeks first. We're going to draw upside down letter U's on each side of his eye. Then we're going to draw his big smile. We're going to come underneath, over to the other side. Yes. And then we're going to draw his mouth open. We're going to come down, around, and back up. Then let's add a little cheek line inside of his cheek. And we got to draw his two little teeth. We're going to draw squares. We're going to draw two diagonal lines coming down. Then we'll go over and then back up, over, back up. And then we can draw his tongue. Draw two bumps at the bottom of his mouth. Oh, and also his little lip. Now we need to draw his sponge body. Let's start by drawing wavy lines on each side. So we're going to start over here. We're going to draw coming down, and we're going to draw wavy lines. And we're going to stop just underneath his lip. And then we can do the same thing over here. We can draw a wavy line coming down and then stop. Yes. This is awesome.
He's gonna be a long SpongeBob.
I love that it's different. It's not exactly the same, but that's okay. And it's okay if our friends' drawings are a little different too, right?
Yeah.
The most important thing is,
Have fun.
yeah, and to
Practice.
practice. So we connected the bottom. Now let's connect the top. And mine's even a little different from the actual SpongeBob,
Yeah.
but that's okay. We're having fun. Mm-hmm. And next we need to draw his
SquarePants.
SquarePants. Okay, let's draw that's a line, short line coming down on each side. We're gonna run out of room down here.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna draw a line coming straight across. This is actually for his vest.
Oh yeah.
Well, and his pants.
It's like both.
Yeah, it's both. Okay, we're gonna draw his pirate vest. We're gonna draw two lines coming down from his chin. Then we're gonna go straight across to the side of his pants. Then we're going to draw the opening for his sleeves. And we'll draw it matching over here too. And then we can draw his belt. 2 lines across. 2 lines down for the little knot. And a little part hanging down from his belt. And then an X on his shirt. Oh, and buttons. 2 buttons. There we go. There's his square pants. Okay, now we need to draw the legs on his pants. Let's draw 2 lines coming down, and right at the bottom, I'm gonna have them get wider. Then we're gonna do the same over here. His pirate pants. Then we're gonna connect the bottoms. Then we're gonna draw his socks coming out of the bottom of his pants. And now his pirate shoes, or SpongeBob shoes. We're going to draw a curve at the very bottom. Then we can draw the heel on each side, or the inside. Then we're going to draw his toes. They're going to curve down and then back up. And curve down and back up. We'll match on the other side too because it's symmetrical. We're going to curve around. And then we're going to come almost like we're going to connect back in. Well, I made these really curve up. And they're big. Then we're going to add the heel. So we'll draw a short line down, come over and connect to the back of the heel. Yes. And then we got to draw the tongue sticking out on each side. Let's color in his shoes solid black. Okay, now what are we missing?
His arms.
His arms. Let's draw him with his pirate sleeves too. So we'll start here on the side of his body. We're going to draw them curving up. Well, this is actually just the first part. It's curving to his elbow. We're going to...
Little SpongeBob hands.
Yeah, we're going to draw him. And this side could come out just maybe a little more on each side. Then we're going to curve down. We're going to give him his puffy sleeves. All right, at the very bottom, we're going to curve around like this, and then back into his elbow. Curve around to match and into his elbow. Okay, and then the rest of his arm, it's kind of skinny. We're going to draw curving like we did for the top on both sides. Yes. Okay, now at the very bottom, small little rectangle for the sleeve, the end of the sleeve. Okay, and his wrist sticking out of the bottom of his sleeves. Then we're going to draw his thumb on the inside. Small thumb. Then we're going to draw coming down also a little. And then on this side, we're going to curve out and then down to that same place so they kind of match. Yes, and then right here, we're going to draw his little knuckles. Draw 3 little bumps. What are we missing?
His hat.
Yeah, his pirate hat. Let's draw it really big. We're going to draw the first part is the side of his pirate hat. So we're going to curve down. We'll curve out almost like you're drawing the side of a heart and back in. Yes, we're going to run out of room. We're going to try to fit it in. We're going to curve back around and up almost to all the way to the top of the hat or top of the page and then down on the other side.
Oh,
yes.
that's a cool looking hat.
It's awesome. It's his pirate hat. Then we're going to draw another line right next to it, or curvy line to match what we just drew. We're going to go all the way around because he has a little red border around his hat. And in. Then we got to draw the skull and crossbones, which kind of looks like a fish head. We're going to draw an upside down letter U. Then we'll connect the bottom. Then we're going to draw the mouth, another line across. Then we're going to draw the nose and 2 eyes. You can color them in. And then also the teeth going down on the mouth. So little short lines down. Okay, now the crossbones. We're going to draw 2 diagonal lines on each side. Then we're going to draw the 2 diagonal lines coming down on each side. And then the end of the bone has 2 little bumps coming around on each side. And we can match down here at the bottom too.
It looks like one of the fish from Bikini Bottom.
Yeah, and we did it. We finished drawing SpongeBob, except we still need to
Color in.
Yes, we gotta color him. He's gonna look so much better colored in.
Yeah, he will.
This part we're gonna fast forward though, but you can pause the video at the very end to match our same color. Although, what's the main color?
Yellow.
Yes. All right, let's speed things up. Austin, we did it! We finished coloring SpongeBob and he looks so much better.
Yeah, he does.
I hope our friends will take time to color their drawings. We used yellow for the main sponge, and then we also used an orange for the little holes in the sponge.
Yeah.
And then we have a bunch of other colors. Brown for the vest, blue for his pants.
Dark red for the mouth and red for the around the hat.
Yeah. And also we used a really dark gray for the hat instead of just coloring it black. Then you can still see the design. And I especially love that our 2 drawings don't look exactly the same. The next time I draw a SpongeBob, I'm gonna draw his teeth a little bit bigger. I think yours could be bigger too.
Yeah.
But we had a lot of fun. That's the most important thing.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing Pirate SpongeBob.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and I'm sure your drawings turned out awesome. And also, we want to remind parents that the SpongeBob movie is available on digital today. You can watch it together as a family.
Yes.
That would be awesome.
That would.
It made me laugh so much.
Yeah. We also want to give a special thank you to Paramount Pictures for sponsoring this lesson.
We'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Huh?